everyone, so here is another tutorial. Well, after Christmas I wasn't very much into crafting, so yeah, here is a simple Easter candle tutorial. So I have these candles, LED candles. I chose this, of course, Easter spring theme rice paper I had in my stash. I think one of those was AB Studio. The other one I am not so sure, but you can use any, Easter theme rice paper you want, or any other theme, whatever. So I glued the rice paper with decoupage glue onto the candle and I let it dry. And since this was a little bit like a wax candle, I really melted the wax with heat gun, but just a little bit into the candle. And now I am, of course, blending and painting. And seriously, guys, I'm saying that all the time. I am no painter, so don't laugh. Don't laugh when you see the outcome. Well, I am satisfied with the outcome, and I'm hoping the person who I'm gonna gift these candles to as well. So now it is time for my trusted glitter decoupage glue. I applied it on all 3 candles. And then I decided that the one candle with those bunnies in frame, it needs like a rustic look. So I decided to use this Crackle 2-step medium. And firstly, I applied the first step, and you let it dry until it becomes transparent and not sticky. So best is let it dry a couple of hours. Then in the meantime, I sealed the other 2 with pouring glaze, and I applied up to 3 layers and let it dry between each layer. And then the other one was dry, so I applied the second step of my 2-step Crackle medium from Pentart, and I let this one dry overnight. Is the best thing. And after it was dry overnight, of course, so next day I applied this wax paste on it, and I didn't apply it everywhere. Some cracks are just not visible, some are, because I didn't want it to be like the whole way around like with crackers. And now I am sealing it with, after the wax paste dried, I'm sealing it with Varnish solvent base. These 2-step Crackle cannot be used with classic varnish. And here they are, or finish, painted, decorated, no. Just a quick little tutorial with my candles. I hope you did enjoy this, and I'm hoping I'm going back into my crafting mood, so there will be more coming up. So I'm hoping you like this one. Oops, one. Bye.